Hello friends, let's learn to make some modaks today. So first we heat some water in a pan, add 1 to 2 teaspoon ghee and let it boil. Once the water starts boiling, you can add in some salt. Now salt is optional. Then you can add the rice flour and keep stirring it well as soon as you add the 2 cups of rice flour, and then just close the lid of the pan and keep it aside to cool a bit. Now take another pan and heat some ghee. When the ghee gets heated, you can add til or sesame seed. You can use black or white also. Some even use khaskhas. Now I have made some freshly ground cardamom powder. It is easier to crush with sugar. Then you can add the coconut and the jaggery. Mix it well. Now I keep the filling aside to cool down and I go back to the rice dough. Gently just make a dough out of it. Try not to use water at all. If you need, you can use a little bit, and you can make small portions this way. I have used this method, the second method of doing the portions, so you get equal balls. Now just make the balls flat and pinch and make these small slits like this. You can call them as pleats. Like, let it form into a cup or a tart. Put the filling and seal it nicely. Once you make the filling, don't make the filling too full. Now the closer you form the pleats, the better shape of the modak you get. Now seal the modak on top and give it this tapering shape. Now if you still want the exact mold shape, you can use a mold also. Now mold can be used in a different way also. This is how I just lightly mold it. Some even fill in the rice dough and then fill the filling in it and then seal it from below. Now I usually make the modak without the molds, but here I just wanted those the modak effect, so I use the molds. Now once you keep doing this, make all the modaks, you can heat the steamer. I had some banana leaves, so I just kept it to steam them. You can even keep them directly in the steamer. Place them one by one. Keep it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes should be enough. And then they are ready to serve. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi, friends. Enjoy and God bless. See you soon again. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. Thank you.